Hey guys, it's Chris here back again from CNH Small. Got a quick video here for you guys. Got the AK here, or not the AK, I keep on calling it the AK. The AR here instead today. Be shooting some different ammunition up here today specifically. Got the, I got PMC X-Tac in this right now today. I got about 9 rounds in the magazine, and I also installed the ALG ACT combat trigger in this one right here today. So we'll be doing about a 9-round shot right here for that specifically. So you can see how it functions, and this will be a demo test for that one specific upgrade for this gun. The ALC trigger, it's slightly better than the stock one, but I shot up here a couple times already before, and it's slightly better. It's not much better, but it's minimal if you want to call it that. But it's still about 6 pounds with a trigger on there for that. So I'll do a demonstration here for you guys. Okay, here we go. Slide them up. Okay, good stance. Trigger functioned great. Ammunition functioned great too. That was the PMC green tip ammunition. It's 62 grain ammunition. It's the green tip, we don't call light armor piercing or body armor piercing ammunition. Function okay. The magazine cycled fine. No problems with it whatsoever. The temperature up here right now is probably about 26, 25 degrees with the little bit of wind chill factor as well too. So gun function great. So I give it 2 thumbs up, guys.